Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm on a roll. Second video of the day. This one is for a journal I've just finished, a spring journal, as you might be able to tell by the pictures on the front. So it's quite a big one, this one for me. 168 pages, all the old sides, page sides. Normal size, 8 3/4 by 6 to there. This one's got an 1 3/4 spine on it because it's quite chunky. So I've painted some spring flowers, like pansies, and I can't for the life of me remember what the other ones are called. They're painted on the front. Blimey. So plain on the back. Oh, get that into shot. There we go. Some colour seam binding. I get that into shot. There we go. And before I forget, there is actually a page saver, page marker, bookmark, don't know. So if we go inside, I've used 2 kits in this one, Spring Promise and Ink and Things, my latest one. This one was from the Ink and Things, and these are ones that I've actually just made up for this book, because I wanted something bright and something cheerful. I've so had it with the rain at the moment. So we go inside. These are some of the original scans that I took to make the new kit, Ink and Things, and I've just embellished them. So we've got swallows or house martins, never 100% sure. A little flutter eye on it, and then there's lots of threads in this one. So we have a tag and bright and cheerful book pages. All book pages. I've done a lot of stenciling in this one. I seem to be on a roll with pink. So this is sort of pink, and I like blending the colours together. It's pinks and sort of a lilac shade, I think, in that one. These are these faux handmade papers. Oh, let's bring sunshine suddenly gone in. That I did a tutorial for. So I've used these. These ones I've used tea, blackcurrant tea. So the actual purpley bits are blackcurrant. There's tags. And these are washi stickers. I am pretty new to bullet journaling. I've been playing with it, thoroughly enjoy it, and discovered these washi stickers, which I thought, do you know what, that looks really smart. I like those. So this is the Spring Promise kit. And the centre, 6 signatures, sorry, I should have said that to begin with. It's just bright. I just wanted something bright and cheerful. That's another tag. I've heat embossed these. And the back. A little fold out tag. And then signature 2. Another tag. This one, so I've actually used the stencil that I've been putting on this page and sort of filled in the gaps and then cut round it and filled it in. I'm actually really liking this type of pages. Some music paper. And the centre. Some envelope. That's actually a scan of the page that I've put in the front. So that is not bumpy and can be used. See what I've got, and rediscovered the art of paper lace. That's what that is on there. And signature 3. So we have a very bright tag for that one. These are images I cut from an Edith Holden book. And some more paper lace on the front of it. And another one of these faux handmade papers. Slight variation on a pocket, just a little note card. Some Edith Holden paper. Bit more of the paper lace up there. Tag, snowdrops. I know technically I might be a little late for snowdrops, but you never know. Now in the middle. I love the writing on these in this book. Back of the tag. Went a bit mad with the sewing on this one. It's just bright and cheerful, yay! And back of the pages. Just left those together. 2 little envelopes, postcards, aren't they? I don't think you can have much of this paper in the book because it's so thick. All the texture that's on it. I have to say, the paper I made first of all with the one I showed in the video is still airing on the side. It still smells of curry. I can't put it in any book. Oh, there's the bookmark in the middle. So signature 4, and we have a stencil of snowdrops in this one. A little tag. Music pages. I've tried to keep the stenciling to tone with whatever's in that particular signature. There's a bit more of the paper lace. And the centre. I'm loving that colour combination actually. I don't know if you can see that, sort of blues and greens. It's working really well. And that's a little file folder that I've made up. If I put it back on, I won't forget it. And then we have some more music paper, oh, the backs of the papers I should say. A little tag. And then signature 5. That's another big tag. Little dragonfly. Some pussycats. Tag. Wild strawberries. Primroses. There's a bit more of that washi tape stickers. It's suddenly gone really, really dark. Sorry, no. Okay, let's put it there. And some more of that faux handmade paper. And that one again is made with blackcurrant tea. Has a tag. All the tags, all the backgrounds are from the original backgrounds that I made for the ink and things kit. So that one would have been part of, if I can find it, that one. So we have pussycat daffodils and rabbit. My cat, if you can hear a bell, that's what it is. And there's another one, so daisy and a butterfly on that big tag. Little washi sticker. And another little flip out tag on that one. And the last signature. So a bit more Edith Holden in that one. Book pages. Plenty of stenciling throughout. These are little bags, and I've taken the cards that came with the ink and things kit and I've heat embossed on them. So you've got heat embossing at the top and again at the bottom on that one. And I've put washi stickers on those because I wanted to be able to see what was inside, but also they look delicate enough to go on the glassine bags. And that's another one. Sorry, the lighters are pouring at the moment. Keeps coming and going. Centre. And then the other two tags. So we have a, that's black heat embossing, and I think that one's called pewter, sort of gold colour. And the second one. And then those have got washi stickers on the back of them. And the backs of the pages. And the back page. So there we go. One journal. I will be listing this on, oops, sorry, knocking everything. I will be listing this on my website. So if you're interested, pop over and have a look. Right, brilliant. You take care now, and I will speak to you all later. Bye.